Hey everybody. Today we are going to talk about calling. Who do we call when we have a problem, need a friend, want to play, or if there's an emergency? Who do we call? Let's see. This is a phone. We make calls on a phone. This is my phone. I make calls on the phone. I make calls on the phone. So this is a phone. This is a hand. The phone is in the hand. Is in the hand. So, who do we call if we are sick? Sick. Who do we call? We call a doctor. This is a doctor. If we are sick, we call the doctor. Next, who do we call if there is an emergency? For example, who do we call if there is a fire? This is fire. In the United States, we call 911. 911. We dial 911 and call 911. If we have a fire, a firefighter comes to our house or wherever we are at. We can be at a restaurant, at our house, we can be at another building. If there is a fire, we call 911 and a firefighter comes to save us. Next, who do we call if we are in trouble? Trouble. We can call 911 in the United States and a police officer will come to us. So if we are in trouble, we can call or we can dial 911 and a police officer will come and help us or save us. If we are hurt or really sick, do we call a doctor? If we are really hurt or really sick and we are in danger and it is an emergency, we do not call the doctor. We call 911. We dial 911 and an ambulance comes to us and saves us. The ambulance, this is an ambulance, takes us to the doctor or the hospital. If I want to play basketball, this is a basketball. This is a basketball court. basketball court. We play basketball on a basketball court. If I want to play basketball, who do I call? Look here. This is my friend. Friend. If I want to play basketball, I call my friend. And we play basketball. Today, we talked about who do we call when we want or need things. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye for now.